Hello everyone, I'm here with another layout. This is Annette with my Scrapbooking Corner. And this picture I'm scrapbooking is a picture of Sabrina, and I always find it funny because looking at my scrapbooks, every single kitten that I have had since I made my console TV into an aquarium has done that same exact pose thing that they do. So what Sabrina's doing in the picture is same thing that Patton did, Theo, Ginger, all of them.
Yeah. Come there. No, he's making a red bar or something.
Oh my.
No, he's making a sandwich.
Anyway. Oh, that's weird. How come this didn't rotate? Hold on. Oh, here we go. So, yeah. When I looked, I have it to where the video should be rotated, so it's like my layout's facing the same direction as me, but or facing it, but it just didn't do it. Oh, ADO. Anyway, so the colorful that striped pattern is Hippie Club's Flourish, and the photo mat I'm going to use Wisteria Basil cardstock. That what are you doing? I need to get that. Get my, so you don't scratch up my chair, girl. Alright, there you go. Okay, come on. Serena likes to lay on the back of my office chair. They got the thing all clawed up. I'm so mad at them. It's a good thing I got it for free. Anyway. Hey, Dio. I know I need to get food. And I need to buy food too. I need to go to the store. Yeah. I'm wearing the same clothes, so that means I did these 3 layouts that I just did 2 same day. I didn't get done what I planned on doing. I just couldn't get myself to do it. I mean, I did some, but not near what I wanted to do. So I'm going to make 2 squares using that teal pattern and then that pink and orange. I call that a geometric shape. And those are all from Hip Kit Club's Flourish. Excuse me. Hey, Sabrina. Hey, baby girl. Yeah, so my in-laws came for from Virginia for Christmas, and my sister-in-law was running 102 fever, so of course I need to know what I need to do for school because I don't want to contaminate anybody. So all I have is like a post-nasal drip, and she's has me out for 10 days, so I don't kids went back to school today, and I don't go back until the 13th. I was like, she goes, and I'm like, but it's just my nose is dripping into my throat. And she says, yep, that's a symptom. And I was like, no. So, oh my gosh. Because doing supplants is so horrible. But anyway. Anyway. So that tag is Pink Fresh Studios Happy Home from the June kit. And on the tag, I'm going to put on my old hip kits that I didn't use everything, so I put it in the drawer. I have stickers in a drawer, I have die cuts in a drawer, and then I have like specialty items like wood veneer, acetates, bows, stuff like that. And it's accumulating too much. I need to get rid of it, so I want to give it away. But anyway, I do pull from it now and again, especially if I scrapbook my own stash, which I'm behind on my hip kit, so I haven't been able to. But anyway, I pull from our old hip kits and that Amy Tangerine sticker. And then I'm going to use die cuts, which are hip kit close first, which is there above the tag. And I don't do too much embellishing to this one. I do the tag with the sticker above the tag, and then the title, I think. Because it's a really long title. I have fish. Fish is okay, but tuna is the best. Because they love tuna juice. What you doing, Sabrina? Her eyes match her fur color. It is so cool. Where's Theo? Oh yeah, Theo's there. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, I have everybody in here. I have all 4 cats and both dogs. So I have 6. 6 babies. So anyway, for the title, fish and tuna are American Craft Sunset Thickers, are what you see me doing right there. Those that are like yellow on the top and pink on the bottom. And are okay, but is the, so the words are okay, but is and the are Pink Fresh Studios Joyful Day pass kit, which is a pass kit. Joyful Day, I think that was 2020's December kit. Maybe it's November. It's either going to be November or December of 2020. And then best, with exclamation mark, is Hip Kit Club's Flourish. And I have so many alphabet stickers too accumulating. I need to do like put a bunch of letters that, because you can't make any words anymore because you have no vowels, and you have X's and Y's and Z's and numbers. I should put them down and then do like gesso over top or something and scrap it that way. just to get rid of some. Because even if I gave it to somebody, they're not. Or I could give it to my kids. My kids love stuff like that. I might do that. If I can't make any words with them anymore, I'll just give it to the kids. That's a good idea. And of course, there's Patton. See, there's my drawer of stickers. I was trying to figure out. I was going to use the one, and I was like, nope, I can't make what I needed with it. I was going to use something else for the R. Okay, but is the and no can do. I have how many drawers I have? One, two, three. Oh my gosh, I have 5 drawers that are just alphabet stickers. Because I have the 2, 4, 6, yeah, the 10 drawer colored drawer thingies that I got Black Friday at Michael's 3 years ago. I was still living at the rental house where I rented. Yeah, but I tell you what, I'm so happy to be living in my own house. Oh yeah. Alright, so yeah, the titles are really long. It takes me a long time to do that. It's probably a good thing I have 600 hours accumulated time. And this is the second time I've had to be quarantined. Back in August 25th, I was quarantined because I actually had COVID. And this time I'm fine. And then it just takes me a minute. I got to figure out how I want to do the title. The tag is for my journaling, I know that. Dang, Mateo's spent all day with his dad. I feel so sick and fiddle right now. That's okay. It's quiet. I love it. So I'm just trying to figure out where to put it, and then eventually I put half the title at the top and half at the bottom, and the other half at the bottom, which is very hard for me to do because I'm one where my title has to be together, but I go with it because it's the only way that looked. It's the only way that was going to work. And so I said, just go with it, do something different. That's one thing about scrapbooking is there's no right or wrong way. Just get lost and be creative. Anyway, so once I get my title down, that's all I do. And so when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Bye.